most raps, write my own shit, stay on track. This is how it go, yo, the story of a banjo. In 76, made pro down in Mexico, bought by a man who could stand nothing less than top quality. Ironically, it was his main policy, and all he see wasn't justice and equality. So he played it late at night for his wife with a melody, a belloning of sweet notes. Nice when she greet those gringos at the door, even though they've been there before. Caused mad ruckus, motherfuckers busted up the whole joint back when they was truckers. She made cake while they wait for old man to come home. He steps in, puts 4 on the floor, starts begging for forgiveness. And if this is this, spare my wife's life and take my best wishes. Now get this, all they take is the banjo. Left home bro in the front and endo with a knife in his back, threw a note to his wife saying be appreciative cause he saved your life. So they go up to San Fran and give it to a man who now goes by the name of Banjo Dan. And drugs consumed him, street performance ruined him, so he takes it to a pawn shop. All he wants a crack rock. They give him 2 or 3, now it's 1983, so they immediately send it out on delivery to the EAST, cause they get more money for the strummy little instrument. Funny how it come of it, just from fucking strumming it. And now it sits on a shelf in a store called Banjin. A man walked in, explaining how his life gone wrong, and he's looking for an instrument to play his wife a song.